You can see the train out here. This train goes to Arunachal Pradesh.
Because I become more all boga. Side the cloud is very blue and the another side the cloud is very black. Rangaba.
ये मैं हूँ ये सुखवी है और ये हमारा ट्रेन है।
क्या बोला तूने?
हमारा ट्रेन है ये। Hello everyone, it's me, Mr. Totangi, and welcome back to my new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Even me, I'm good as well. So in this video, me and my brother will be going to Shokhuvi village for visiting the new railway station to explore it. It is my first time, and even for him, it is the first time. So we will be going out here and we will just explore. Today is the last day for my brother to stay out here in Nagaland. He will be leaving today evening, going back to hometown, Nepal. It's been 2.5 months he's been staying here, out here. But then, yeah, please enjoy the video. I hope you guys will watch till the end. So guys, yeah, before moving further to this video, if you guys are new out here, please do subscribe to my channel, and also you can share with. And thank you everyone for supporting me till here. I hope you guys will keep supporting me to this journey as well. The good news is we have reached 800 plus subscribers. I guess by this year it will reach 1k. Yeah, my aim is to get 1k by this year. So I hope you guys will show some love towards me, and then yeah, I hope you guys will even share this video so that it will reach 1k very soon. But then yeah, patience, suffer ka phal mitha hota hai. Even you guys can suggest me what kind of videos should I do in coming days, so it will also be helpful for me, and even you guys will enjoy it.
It's me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy. And silently it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head.
Guys, we have finally reached, wow, the railway station.
That my mind fills up into a creature. Head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head.
So guys, we have finally reached and we are entering. So here is the entrance. Oh wait. So guys, finally we're at the Shokhuvi railway station, as you can see, and we're at another platform. There is platform number 2. This is platform number 2, and yeah, I'll just show you the railway station. Actually, this station is new inside Nagaland. There is one station in Dimapur, and yeah, here's my brother. Me and my brother just came for visiting this place. For visiting this beautiful place. And yeah guys, as you can see the train out here, there is one train over here. I mean, one guy, he told me that this train goes till Arunachal Pradesh. I don't know whether it goes or not, but he said that this train goes to Arunachal Pradesh. And this place is really beautiful, you know. You can see one side there is, what is it, plain, I mean this station is near to mountain, and as you can see, this place is really beautiful, guys. Yeah. So how do you feel after coming here? And yeah, actually it is his last day over here in Nagaland. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. It's pretty
Yeah.
cool, the area.
How do you like the view?
The view, the natural beauty is always beautiful.
Wow. Even this station is new, and yeah, this station is very, very, very chakas. So say something. This is your last day here in Nagaland. So how are you feeling after staying over here for like almost 3 months? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it?
It was a good time staying here in Nagaland because I become more all of boga.
Boga boga. And then
Well, like when I came from
Nepal.
that time I was a little bit dark color, and now I'm little bit boga. Again, if I'm going to Nepal again, I will be dark and I'll come here.
The reason behind your fairness is because you have stayed almost for 2 months. You have stayed 2 months in hostel, so that is the reason
Yeah,
behind
another
your
reason now
fairness.
I'm become again kala kala.
Yeah. Even you are getting sunburn now because we came all the way from 6 Mile to Shokhuvi village. So yeah. But actually today's weather is a little bit pleasant, no? Not that hot, not that what to say, it's normal.
Clouds are a little bit beautiful.
Yeah. And guys, yeah, there is one, what is it, panel.
The fun thing is this side the cloud is very blue, and the another side the cloud is very black.
Outside the cloud is like what to say, little blue, and then here it's, I mean, I guess it's raining out that side over in hilly areas, so that's why the color is black. So guys, let's take some pictures, and the picture of the pose will be like this. Actually, you know, this train is not that too long. This train goes still from Nahar Lagoon till Nahar Lagoon to Shokhuvi, and yeah, this train is like this. And from there, from that side, it is the last part, and this is where the AC tire is there. Actually, this is my first time over here in this station. I guess even this train will be going right now. I mean, yeah, it's
Let's
time
go down
for,
and click some photo in the railway track.
yeah. So I guess we will get down in this railway track, and we'll take some pictures, and then I guess we will be going back again. But yeah guys, oh my goodness, I guess even you guys are enjoying the view, enjoying the place, enjoying this nature. Oh my goodness, bro. So guys, we have clicked pictures and all, and now we are done. I guess we will just go a little bit forward outside there. We'll go to the front part of this train, and then I guess we will moving back to again home. Seriously, this is so good, and the railway track is wow.
Anjaliru. Spider-Man.
So guys, actually this is the way from Rangapahar. Actually the train comes from Rangapahar, and this is the way towards the mountainside.
Rangapar.
ये मैं हूँ, ये सुखवी है और ये हमारा ट्रेन है।
क्या बोला तूने?
हमारा ट्रेन है ये चुमू 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 चुमू
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी
चुमू 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 आंटी चुमू जाओ आंटी चुमू जाओ
अरे बस कर भाई ओ पागल कर दिया पीछा छोड़ दे
चुमू 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 आंटी चुमू चुमू चुमू
It's time to say goodbye to this Shokhuvi railway station. I hope you guys have enjoyed the view. Ah? Oh. After seeing this beautiful view, my brothers want to click photo again. So here we go.